Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will tell you how you can easily install ChatGPT on your Windows 10 instead of using it in your browser. So let's start the video, but if you're new to this channel, please subscribe so that you can benefit from this channel and your virtual comrade. First of all, you need to open your browser. I will open my Chrome browser. In the search bar, type ChatGPT download for PC, download for Windows 10, and press enter on your keyboard. Now you need to click on OpenAI's official website. Our website is now open. As you scroll down, you will see multiple options, among which on the left side, there is Android download, and on the right side, you will see a link for download for Windows. Click on it. Now click on View in Store. Then click on Open Microsoft Store. Here, click on Get. ChatGPT is now installing on your PC or laptop. You can see that our app has been installed. Now let's open it. As soon as the app opens, you will see two options, Login and Sign Up. If you don't have an account, you need to click on Sign Up and create an account. If you already have a ChatGPT account, just click on Login. I already have an account, so I will click on Login. Here, you can sign in by entering your email address or by clicking on Continue with Google. I will continue with Google. Now, you need to choose your account. Now, click on Continue. Next, you need to enter your full name. Here, you need to enter your date of birth, which should match the one you entered in your Gmail account. Now, click Continue. Now, click Open ChatGPT. Your ChatGPT is now open. Here, a shortcut is also provided. Press Alt-Enter, and ChatGPT will open. Now see, as soon as I pressed Alt-Enter on my keyboard, ChatGPT opened. So, if you liked and found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in a new helpful tutorial.